Have you ever wondered how to protect your kidneys from the damaging effects of diabetes? In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic: 7 best nuts to prevent diabetic nephropathy fast and clean your kidneys. Diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease, and understanding how to manage it effectively is vital for your health. Did you know that according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, nearly 1 in 3 adults with diabetes has chronic kidney disease? This staggering statistic underscores the importance of taking proactive steps to safeguard your kidneys. In this video, we'll explore 7 incredible nuts that can help you do just that. Imagine being able to incorporate simple, delicious foods into your diet that not only help control your blood sugar levels but also promote kidney health. By watching this video, you'll discover the benefits of these nuts and how they can make a significant difference in your health journey. So, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, we will share some little-known tips on how to combine these nuts to effectively combat diabetes and keep your kidneys in top condition. Don't miss out, your health is worth it. 1. Almonds. Have you ever wondered how something as small as an almond can have such a big impact on your health, particularly in cleaning your kidneys and preventing diabetes? Almonds, those tiny powerhouses of nutrition, offer a host of benefits that make them a valuable addition to your diet. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E, almonds have been shown to support kidney health and help manage blood sugar levels. Scientific studies, such as one published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition in 2012, have highlighted almonds' role in promoting renal health. The study found that the high magnesium content in almonds helps reduce the risk of developing kidney stones by preventing calcium oxalate crystals from forming. Additionally, almonds are a good source of antioxidants, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in maintaining healthy kidney function. When it comes to diabetes, almonds can be particularly beneficial. A study conducted by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2011 demonstrated that incorporating almonds into a balanced diet can improve glycemic control and lipid profiles in people with diabetes. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein helps slow down the absorption of sugar and prevents spikes in blood sugar levels, making almonds an excellent snack choice for those managing diabetes. To maximize the benefits of almonds for your kidney health, consider these tips. First, opt for raw or dry roasted almonds rather than those coated in salt or sugar. Second, include a handful of almonds in your daily diet, either as a snack or added to meals like salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Lastly, stay hydrated, as drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys process the nutrients more effectively. Just yet moderation is key. Stick to about a small handful or 23 almonds to keep things balanced without overdoing the calories, and if you're eyeing that. By making almonds a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while reaping the benefits of better kidney health and improved blood sugar control. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts, often hailed as a superfood, possess unique properties that can significantly contribute to kidney health and diabetes prevention. Research from the Journal of Renal Nutrition in 2014 highlighted that the high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in walnuts, has potent anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce kidney damage and improve overall renal function. Additionally, a study published in the Diabetes Care Journal in 2013 demonstrated that consuming walnuts can improve endothelial function, reduce oxidative stress, and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Consider incorporating a handful of raw, unsalted walnuts into your daily diet. Mixing them into your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or salads can be a simple yet effective way to reap their benefits. It's also advisable to avoid overconsumption, as excessive intake may lead to unwanted calories and potential weight gain. Consume about 1 to 2 ounces or 14 to 28 hales. By making these small changes, you can harness the power of walnuts to support your kidney health and fend off diabetes, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. 3. Pistachios. As a pistachio can play a big role in keeping your kidneys clean and preventing diabetes. This delightful nut, often enjoyed as a snack, has been shown to offer significant health benefits, particularly for kidney health and diabetes prevention. Research from 2015 highlights that pistachios are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which contribute to their positive impact on the kidneys. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are crucial for maintaining kidney function. Moreover, a 2014 study published in Diabetes Care found that regular consumption of pistachios can improve blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, key factors in managing and preventing diabetes. It's important to incorporate them into your diet in a balanced way. Aim for a handful of pistachios, about 1 ounce, a day, which provides essential nutrients without excessive calories. Try adding them to your salads, yogurt, or even as a topping for oatmeal to keep your meals both nutritious and delicious. Remember to choose unsalted pistachios to avoid unnecessary sodium intake, which can be detrimental to kidney health. By making pistachios a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while supporting your kidneys and managing your blood sugar levels effectively. 4. Cashew. Cashews, often enjoyed as a delicious snack, are packed with nutrients that offer surprising health benefits, particularly for your kidneys and blood sugar levels. Rich in magnesium, cashews support kidney function by aiding in the regulation of blood pressure and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, the healthy fats and low glycemic index of cashews make them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels, thereby helping to prevent type 2 diabetes. Consider incorporating unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted cashews into your diet. Enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies. Remember, moderation is key. Aim for a small handful a day to reap the benefits without overindulging in calories. Its unique ability to regulate cholesterol levels. This nut is a powerhouse of health, ready to unveil itself as the top contender for those looking to make a real difference in their diabetic health. 5. Hazelnuts. Let's delve into the intricate world of hazelnuts and their remarkable health benefits. Hazelnuts, often overshadowed by their more popular nut counterparts, are a hidden gem when it comes to kidney health and diabetes prevention. These tiny, nutrient-dense wonders are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a crucial role in promoting overall well-being. First and foremost, hazelnuts are a rich source of magnesium, a mineral known for its ability to support kidney function by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, the high potassium content in hazelnuts helps maintain proper electrolyte balance, further supporting optimal kidney health. But that's not all. Hazelnuts are also a powerhouse of heart-healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. These fats work in tandem with the fiber found in hazelnuts to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Add crushed hazelnuts to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, sprinkle them over salads for a satisfying crunch, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Roasting hazelnuts can also enhance their flavor, making them a delicious and convenient snack option. In conclusion, hazelnuts may be small in size, but they certainly pack a big punch when it comes to promoting kidney health and preventing diabetes. 6. Pears. Pears, with their juicy flesh and sweet flavor, offer more than just a delightful snack. They are packed with nutrients that support kidney health and help regulate blood sugar levels. One of the key attributes of pears is their high water content, which contributes to hydration and promotes the flushing of toxins from the kidneys. Additionally, pears are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and prevent the formation of kidney stones. The fiber found in pears aids in digestion and can help control blood sugar spikes by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. To fully harness the benefits of pears for kidney health, consider incorporating them into your daily diet in creative ways. Try adding slices of ripe pear to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a refreshing twist. You can also enjoy them as a standalone snack or incorporate them into salads for added sweetness and texture. Remember to include the skin, as it contains a significant amount of fiber and antioxidants. Furthermore, consider pairing pears with foods that complement their nutritional profile. For example, combining them with a source of protein like nuts or cheese can help balance blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Be mindful of portion sizes, as consuming too much fruit, including pears, can contribute to excess sugar intake. By incorporating this versatile fruit into your daily routine and pairing it strategically with other nutritious foods, you can maximize its benefits and take proactive steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So why not indulge in a juicy pear today and give your kidneys the support they deserve? 7. Brazil nuts. These seemingly ordinary nuts pack a powerful punch when it comes to renal health and diabetes prevention. Brazil nuts are not only delicious but also rich in selenium, a mineral known for its potent antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that selenium plays a crucial role in detoxifying the kidneys, helping to flush out harmful toxins and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Furthermore, the high selenium content in Brazil nuts has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, making them a valuable ally in the fight against diabetes. Sprinkle chopped Brazil nuts over salads or yogurt for a crunchy twist, blend them into smoothies for added texture and nutrition, or simply enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack. Remember, moderation is key, as excessive selenium intake can have adverse effects. Aim for a few Brazil nuts per day to reap the rewards without overdoing it. In addition to selenium, Brazil nuts are also packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and other essential nutrients, making them a wholesome choice for overall well-being. So, the next time you reach for a snack, consider reaching for Brazil nuts and nourish your body from the inside out. Your kidneys, and your taste buds, will thank you for it. In short, incorporating nuts into a diet for diabetics and kidney patients can have many benefits. Nuts contain many essential nutrients, healthy fats, and fiber that help regulate blood sugar levels and promote heart health. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, cashews, hazelnuts, pecans, and Brazil nuts are all great choices for diabetics and kidney patients. It's important to remember to control and choose salt-free products. Or dry-roasted nuts. Aim to include a variety of nuts in your meals and snacks and consult a healthcare professional for individualized advice. By including nuts, concentrate this nutrient in your diet. The health of a diabetic and kidney patient. As we end our journey through the world of nuts beneficial for diabetics and kidney patients, We have seen how these small but powerful snacks can make a big difference in managing diabetes and clearing the kidneys of the knots we have. Today's discussion offers benefits to combat these challenges. Serve as your ally in the coming fight against diabetes and kidney disease. Now, if you find value in our videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to us channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more information about health. Your journey to managing diabetes and kidney disease is possible. Also support us by using the Super Thanks feature. We're excited to offer this new way for you to express. Please support us and help us continue to bring you valuable insights. First, as you go, we have one last question that we're discussing today. What are you most excited to incorporate into your diet and why? Leave your answer in the comments section below. We love to hear from you and learn about your experiences and interests. Thank you for joining us in this exciting game. Together we are taking each step towards a healthy life.